Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's a Wonderful Plan. I'm Tina, and today I have my cloth and paper subscription box. Now, this is the August subscription box, and Cloth and Paper did notify all of their subscribers that they were having a little bit of a delay because they were waiting for some product to come in that was delayed in shipping. So that is the reason why this one is a little bit later than normal, but I'm really excited to open this up with you. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, now this box is really pretty. It says here there is luxury and simplicity right on the inside cover there. All right, and generally there is a card here. I think it might have, yeah, it's right here actually. It's usually like placed right there, but yeah, it was just kind of tucked in there this time. And this is the what's inside card telling us everything that is in here. Now I get the subscription box. I do not get the penscription, but they do offer that as well. So if I did get both of those, then this is where that would be found. So they're just saying that that's what that spot is. So let's go ahead and take this off. Oh, wow. Whoa. Wow. Well, this might have been delayed, but I'm telling you, it was worth it because there are some awesome goodies in here. Holy cow. All right, I'm going to go ahead and scoop everything out and unwrap it and then go through it in detail with you. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back and I want to welcome all of you for coming back and joining me in another video. And if this is your first time joining me, then thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoy your time here with me. Remember, if you like this video, to hit the like, be sure to subscribe and drop a comment. Let me know what you think of everything that I share with you here today. Now, this subscription box has been like dedicated to the reader. To start off, we have Novello Dashboard Duo. The Novello Dashboard Duo is a two-partner that captures the essence of a good read. Layered in bold colors and beautifully embossed lettering, the Duo features an inspiring passage written by one of Cloth and Paper's very own. Novella celebrates the thrilling yet peaceful experience a good novel delivers. Let it be the front cover of your story. All right, so here is the beautiful picture here, the dashboard, and the passage that was written is right down here. And this is double-sided. Look at how pretty that is. And I really do like this embossed like half, and it layers so nicely over this. So that is very pretty. Not a big fan of like this kind of forest green color, but it is very pretty. All right, the next thing I have here is the Read sticky note. And I didn't take this out, but I will now. Never miss a page with our new Read sticky note. Each sheet is designed to easily and quickly track your reading sessions. Attach these to your novel planner desk or use them as bookmarks. So there you go. And I like the way that it looks like an old library card, if you are familiar with that. But yeah, this is really cute. I like that. The next thing I have here are Luxe page flags. Our Luxe page flags are the perfect way to organize and classify in style. This set includes 3 elegant designs, certain to elevate the look and functionality of your planner. These are really pretty. I really like these a lot, and they are just really nice. So let me just take them off one at a time, all right? So that one's noted. And then this one looks like it's just like kind of like a marble. Ooh, I really like the way these look. And this is a do not forget in the black. I really like this. Ooh, I like that. Super, super chic looking, very functional. And you know, you could definitely like layer these up. That would be really pretty, like, you know, like that, right? Or you could take this one and layer this one like over here, like that. Really, really pretty. I love their accessories. Like, honestly, their accessories are probably some of my favorite items from Cloth and Paper. So these are awesome. Love them. All right, and then we have like everyday carry-all. Okay, so I did take this out of the plastic, and I did see a sneak peek of this. So let's see here. Now, it's clear, but I understand it has like different pockets in here. So let's go ahead, open this up. Oh, okay, so yeah. All right, so it's got like a mesh looking pocket up here, like a grid. So you could put things in here if you chose. Okay, and then there's another pocket on this side, like on the back side or the other side, which you could use here. That's pretty nice. And then there is this green, and I believe this comes out, yeah, this is an insert. So this has got a lot of different uses in here. Oh, and there's even extra little pockets in here as well. And on the outside, wow, this has got a lot of little pockets. So you could use this separately, even if you wanted to do that. Or, of course, you could put it back inside the clear, or you could just use the clear by itself, which you could probably fit a whole lot in there, but I personally like the clear by itself, just because this is really not my color. I think I would have liked it better if it was more like neutral or even just black, which, of course, to me is neutral, but yeah. Yeah, I mean, I like the plastic, this one right here. This is more useful to me. And I like that it does have like the sides over here. So you can use this for a lot of different things. Makeup, you know, just like it says, your travel essentials, that type of thing you could put in here. I like the snap closure. Yeah, I like that. That's really nice. All right, now we have an insert. And that one is right here. This one is the Bibliophile Insert Bundle. Calling all book lovers, our new Bibliophile Insert Bundle is everything you need to document your reading experience. Included is a wish list, reading log, vocabulary page, index, and much more, allowing you to record your every page as well as monitor your month-to-month progress. Okay, let's go ahead and take a closer look at this. So we've got the front page here. That's the thing about books. They let you travel without moving your feet. Oh, I like that. Okay, let's take a look. So we've got some line grid, and then we have reading log, numbered here, title, author, start, end, and rating. And then we have that separated by more line grid. Then we have monthly reads. So you can have here January through June, and then July through December. And you can write down the books that you've read here. And let's see, now we have a more detailed book log. So for each book that you read, you put the title, synopsis, the author, the genre, format pages, and then you can write any notes in here, a review, plot, characters, writing, and overall. So I guess you can like go ahead and just rank everything here. So that way you have that. And then the back side is a line grid. So you can put like more notes there if you need to. So let's see, there's probably a few of these, I'm sure. Okay, so this is how many pages you get for a book log. And then index here. So you can go ahead and index moment, 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 and then write some more notes there. Let's see how many index pages there are. Okay, so you've got quite a few of those. And oh, let's see. This last page changes up because this is index, but then on this side is vocabulary. So it looks like you can write whatever word here and then the definition. So if you come across words that you're not familiar with, you can write them down here and then look them up. All right, and then we have, let's see. And then we go into a wish list. So you can write out the next books that you want to read. And that is everything. So that's the Bibliophile bundle. If you are an avid reader, then this is an awesome insert to have. And then we do have another insert here, and this is the October weekly vertical. They did include this in their last subscription boxes, and these are the new inserts that they have coming out for 2023. I do have a detailed look of these in my other unboxings, but let's just take a quick peek at this one if you have not seen this one yet. So here we open up, we've got the kind of like a monthly dashboard here for goals, intentions, and bills due, and then a checklist on the side. We have a month at a glance pages here with a Sunday through Saturday, important dates, a notes section, and then there's more notes in through here. So this is definitely a new layout that they have. And then here is the new weekly vertical layouts. So we have the month at a glance, but it's circling the week that you're currently in, checklist area, and then it starts, actually this one starts on Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So this is for the month of October. And they will be selling these. So if you are interested in getting these, you can go ahead and take a look at the Cloth and Paper website. I will link their site down below so you can take a look at that. All right, the next thing I have here is a highlighter set. Annotate in color with our exclusive double head highlighter set. The set includes 6 bold hues, bringing the most important details to the fore while providing a smooth and satisfying feel. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at these. And I want to test them out. So let me grab this card here and let's take a look. All right, I like the design. Ooh, look at that. Now that is different. Wow, I've never seen anything designed like that before. Okay, let's see how, ooh, I love it. Let's do one more. That's like the whitest. Ooh, that is really pretty. Okay, let's take a look at this. Ooh, I like it. Okay, let's see all of the colors in here. Okay, that's like a green. The first one is kind of like an, I don't know, it's almost like an ink color, like a blue. All right, now we have, I don't know, it doesn't say the color on it, so I just, oh, that's the same color. Is that supposed to be that? I don't know. Let's see. Well, that's a darker green. And it has the colors like down here below, but ooh, that's pretty cool. That's a different color. I really like that one. And this is the last one. And this looks like a purple here. Yeah, very pretty. All right, so the way that I am seeing this is that this first one should be a black, but it's not, at least not in my box here. But I'm okay with that because, I mean, I have black markers. I mean, it would have been nice to have like the right set, but I really like those colors. Those are really, really nice. All right, now we have some cards. So we have the annotation card here. And this one says, increases engagement with content, helps you to read actively and avoid skimming, builds a better understanding of a book and author, helps you remember information and your reactions, creates a guide for future reference. And then it has different things back here, marking, highlighting, noting, drawing, and journaling. And then we have the journaling cards. So there's the October month at a glance card. Oh, I didn't know that was on the back. I wanted to give you what it would look like here. There we go. All right, so we've got that. And then we've got Sophrosine, soundness of mind, characterized by moderation, self-control, and prudence. That is really pretty. I love the way they did that on the back. And then we have, let's see, in the case of good books, the point is not to see how many of them you can get through, but how many can get through you. I like that. And that one is blank on that side. All right, so this is everything in the Cloth and Paper August subscription box. It's beautiful, beautiful items in here. I really love the accessories. Quite honestly, I will get more use out of those than I will the insert. It is a great bundle. However, I'm really not a reader, so something like this would be just way too much for me, but I really love everything else that I got in here, and I will have Cloth and Paper's shop linked down below, so if you want to go ahead and check them out if you have not already done so. All right, well, thank you so much in joining me in today's unboxing. I hope that you enjoyed this. Please remember, if you did, to hit the like button. Please remember to subscribe and drop a comment down below. Let me know what your thought is of this subscription box. Also, are you an avid reader? Maybe something like this insert would be more beneficial for you. And one more reminder, if you are on Instagram, you can find me there at It's a Wonderful Plan. All right, well, thank you so much again for joining me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.